Welcome to Fashion Trends. Subscribe to the free latest updates on our channel. And also to the icon some more interesting videos from our channel, guys. Hello friends. So in today's video we'll be speaking about Saree jewelry ideas. Let's get into it. So when you wear a saree, you have to wear a jewelry so it completely finishes your look and you look perfect, guys. So here we have some ideas, so let's go to the video. So it's like this, guys. For your cotton sarees or linen sarees, you can try it on with like silver jewels, or you can try it on with like antique finished jewels, because they give you a traditional old look which is awesome and really cute for your cotton and linen sarees, guys. So you can also try on with like a pearl necklace for your shiny or colorful sarees, guys. They give you an elegant, cute and a rich look, guys. And you can also try on with like some temple jewelry for your temple wear or your old traditional sarees, and they look really cute. So in temple jewelry we have goddesses and they look really traditional and awesome, guys. So you can also go on with like some jewels which have like pearls or some workings or mirror workings in them, and to say that they give you an awesome and a great look, guys. So you can also go on some jewels where they have layers, and sometimes they have like stones or pearls or some crystals, and they look really beautiful, guys. So you can also try on with some silver jewels which has different shapes like diamonds, waves, circles, or even goddess or god, guys. And they're really totally cute. Some people go with gold antique finished jewels, while others go with like silver antique finished jewels. Some people also try chokers, silver chokers. They're perfectly awesome, matching your old traditional dress, guys. So people want to try a new design can go with chokers, and they're really cute. So you can also try on with it for light colored sarees, or cotton and linen sarees. You can go with this silver jewels, and they're really perfect, guys. So when you go with, as I told you, cotton, linen or light colored sarees, you can go with like silver jewels or your party dress. You can go with uncut diamond jewelries or your gold antique finished jewelries for your old or traditional dress, and they give you an awesome look, guys. So a jewel depicts you and your saree, guys. So remember always to make your jewel in a contrast and a different way, I mean a unique way, guys, and you look perfect. So thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. And bye, guys.